Hey guys, welcome back to the daily departure. I have done videos that you pack with me for a trip, but today we're going to be doing a video where you unpack with me from a trip and also get my apartment back in order. I got a ton of packages in the mail while I was gone, so we're going to go through what packages I got. I also just got some groceries from Sprouts because I was gone for a week, so I don't really have any food. And then we're going to clean up my suitcase and my carry-on bag and put those away, because I just got back from a trip last night and I'm not gonna let it just be like a trip rot and sit out forever. First thing I'm gonna do is put my groceries away because I have some cold groceries, and you might be able to see behind me all of my stuff. I need to get something a little higher to put this up maybe. First we're gonna go through groceries. I ran to Sprouts, which is just on the street from me, and I got a couple different things. So I'll quickly show you what I got. Item are these True Dates. This is, I think, the like 6th and 7th bag of these that I bought, plus bag number 8. I have not tried the pineapple one yet, but these are so good and I love to just keep them in my bag. If I get a little hungry, just eat a date really quick. I also got these Thai curry meal kits. They were on sale for $1.50. I felt like that is such a steal, so I got quite a few of those. I just did a few more of these. I got this Mediterranean one with orzo. This one, it's some kind of, let's see if I can pronounce it, mafalda pasta. And then this one is a smoked mozzarella pasta salad. And I thought they would kind of be fun to zhuzh up a little bit, so I got some lettuce, a salad situation. And then I also got some extra feta cheese, and then I got some roasted garlic couscous. I'm gonna try to, you know, kind of like I said, fluff them a little bit, extend them more than just that, and mix them with other things. And then also, I think I have some olives as well that I'm gonna add to it. The leftovers from my Chipotle that I had last night, so we will eat that with the tortillas. I didn't use, so I'm gonna put them in my little cup of drink mixes that I have in my drink stand over here. I am unboxing some of my Amazon purchases. I really want a pop socket because I don't have it on my phone currently, so I bought a couple different ones. I bought this like squishy heart one. It's got glitter. I'm gonna go film a TikTok because I bought this squishy order from Mochichi, and I am very excited to do an unboxing, but I'm gonna do it on TikTok. So if you want to see an unboxing of this, it's gonna be on TikTok. Okay, next we're gonna do laundry. I have all this clothing on this rack because last week when I left Wednesday, and I was originally supposed to leave Thursday. So what ended up happening was I did laundry late the Tuesday before I left, and I didn't have time to put it all away because it wasn't even dry. By the time I left, it was still wet. But I did the laundry and left it out because there were things that I did need to actually wash before I left. So this rack has been sitting here. Everything's dry now. And then I'm going to take everything from my suitcase and start washing it, and then I'll keep this rack out and hang everything. I'm about to throw my laundry in, but I'm realizing I think I'm out of laundry detergent. I might have a little bit left. That was on my list of things to do when I get back. Go to Costco and get more laundry detergent. So we'll see if I can even get a load started. Suitcase is cleared out. It's going in the closet. It's time for my carry-on bag. Alright, it's like 1 p.m. and I'm feeling a little hungry. I did finish cleaning out my carry-on bag, but I just have to put it in the closet now. So I'm gonna make some couscous. I'm gonna get that started and then put my carry-on bag away, and see what we end up doing with everything that I bought that's in my fridge from my Sprouts run today. Okay, we're gonna do some couscous. Throwing it in the bowl. Some of this orzo. It's really nice. It's got all this sauce on it and some sun-dried tomatoes and peppers, and then we'll add some extra feta and kind of make it its own dish. Adding some Coke Zero for my beverage. Second load of laundry is in the washer, first load's in the dryer, everything else is hung up. My reward for putting my bags away and getting the laundry started is to unbox my Osmo Pocket 4. So let's go ahead and do that. I made a TikTok video opening this portion yesterday, just taking out the first sleeve. So we're gonna pull this part out and then we're gonna open that portion. So here's this little carrying pouch that comes with it. I don't think there's anything in here. This is just got a mesh side pocket. And now let's get into the contents of this pouch right here. So this is the Osmo Pocket 4. It is a vlogging camera and I'm hoping to do more vlogging now that I have this. We shall see, but this is unreleased in the US. I was tempted to buy the 3, but again, I just wanted to wait till the 4 came out and then was able to get it through Japan. I like that it comes with this bag. My 360 camera did not come with a bag. I actually used the away housing from one of the amenity kits to hold everything because there's just so many elements to it. Kind of nice that it comes with its own bag, and I like how it opens up like this. It has these side portions here so stuff doesn't fall out. Well, let's just start unboxing the little elements. So this looks like it is a mic cover. That's why I'm kind of curious why it has that second pouch, because I was like, is that for the mic or something? This is so soft, very, very nice. I think I'm gonna put everything in this pouch for now, transfer it over. We have a second mic cover. I also bought the creator combo, so it has, I think, a microphone and a light that it comes with. Okay, so we have this microphone and the other one. They look like they're different colors. I will have to research the difference. I can't get it done magnet enough to get it out. So we have the little clip over here. Okay, this is the feet. So this will go on the bottom, a little stand. So this looks like it just mounts to the top and then you can change the perspective on it. I feel so nervous opening it. I don't want to wreck it. Osmo Pocket 4. We have our screen. To peel that off, as well as this little gimbal. I'm gonna have to investigate this, and maybe next time you see me, I will be using it. I am so excited. That's my little treat for finishing what I have to get done today. I guess that was my unpack with me video, and I will see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching the Daily Departure.